Hey there, folks. Hope you're all doing fantastic. Today, I want to talk about an interesting app I came across where if you like taking pictures using photo cameras or even your smartphones, you can potentially make some serious money if you're going to be serious about it. Now, we're diving into the world of Foap.com, where your passion for photography can turn into some serious cash. I'll talk about the pros and cons of the app, as well as several ways to earn money on the app, what kind of money to expect from it, and ways to cash out your earnings, and if it's even worth spending time doing it at all. But before we get into the nitty-gritty, if you're interested in my favorite way, a better and much more solid way to earn real money, and I'm talking about $5,000 to $10,000 per month, check out the link in the description box for more information. All right, so what's Foap.com all about? Well, think of it as a bustling marketplace where photographers, both amateur and pro, can showcase and sell their amazing photos. It's like a little digital storefront where creativity meets commerce. Now, let's talk about the juicy part. How can you actually earn money using this app? It's pretty simple. You upload your photos onto the platform and bam, they're available for purchase by buyers worldwide. Each sale you make, put some extra dough in your pocket. But wait, there's more. Foap offers different avenues to earn those green bucks. You can participate in missions, which are basically contests sponsored by brands. Win one of these missions and you'll not only get a sweet cash prize, but also some serious exposure that could lead to more opportunities down the road. Now, you might be wondering, do I have to be a pro to make money on Foap? Not at all. Whether you're snapping pics on your smartphone during your morning walk or your season shutterbug, Foap welcomes photographers of all levels. It's all about the quality and relevance of your photos, not your professional status. But let's talk turkey. How much moolah are we talking about here? Well, earnings can vary, but some photographers have hit the jackpot with significant payouts, anywhere from $100 to $2,000 and maybe even more. On the flip side, starting out might be a bit modest, anywhere from $10. But hey, every sale counts, right? So on average, each photo you sell brings in some cash, and participating in missions can boost some earnings even more. It's a bit of a hustle, but if you're passionate about photography, it's definitely worth the time spent. Now, let's get real for a second. While Foap can be a great side hustle or even a supplemental income, it might not replace your day job. It is important to set realistic expectations and use your judgment before diving in head first. Now, as with any platforms, Foap has its pros and cons. Let's break it down. On the plus side, Foap offers a user-friendly interface that makes it easy to upload and sell your photos. Plus, the community aspect is a big bonus. You can get feedback on your work, collaborate with your photographers, and learn from each other's experiences. The potential for earning money is also a major pro. With the right photos and a bit of luck, you can see some significant payouts, And let's not forget the exposure you can get through the missions. Landing a win there could be open up all sorts of doors for you. Now, it's not all rainbows and sunshine. Foap can be a very competitive place with thousands of photographers vying for attention. Standing out in such a crowded attention can be a challenging, especially for newcomers. And then there is a revenue sharing model. If you sold a photograph for $10, you will only get 5 of it. While Foap does take a cut of your earnings, some photographers feel like the split can be more favorable. It's something to keep in mind as you weigh your options. Another downside is the unpredictability of earnings. While some photographers rake in cash, others might see more modest returns. It is important to manage your expectation and understand that success on Foap might not happen overnight, if it'll happen at all. So, is Foap worth your time? Well, that depends on your goals and expectations. If you're passionate about photography and looking for a fun way to make some extra money, then absolutely give it a shot. But if you're expecting it to replace your full-time income, you may want to think twice. In the end, Foap is what you make of it. With the right approach and a bit of luck, it could be a lucrative side hustle or even a stepping stone to bigger things in the world of photography. Just remember to stay patient, stay persistent, and keep chasing those dreams. Before we conclude, let's quickly touch on how to get paid on Foap. Once your photos sell, your earnings are split between you and the platform. Foap typically pays out on a monthly basis, so you can expect to see those sweet dollars rolling in regularly. And hey, if you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button below. By subscribing, you'll stay updated on all the latest tips and tricks for making money online. So, to sum it all up, Foap.com is a fantastic platform for photographers looking to monetize their skills and creativity. Whether you're a hobbyist or a pro, there's money to be made and opportunities to be seized. Just remember to stay patient, stay persistent, and keep those cameras clicking. And don't forget to check out the link in the description for more information on a better way to earn real money online. It's free, it's valuable, and it could be the start of something amazing for you. Remember, it's free information that could change your life, so don't miss out. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep snapping and keep hustling. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.